Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Natasha Aurelia with student ID 24103473310. Okay, I will explain about morphemes, roots and stem, and divisional and inflectional. Okay, free morphemes and bond morphemes. There are the means of two, there are two types of morphemes. First, free morphemes. Two, bond morphemes. Free morphemes can stand alone as word. For the example, book, run, and house. And while bond morphemes cannot stand alone, they must add it to something else. For the example is plural and making opposite. And if I say "un" by itself, if doesn't make sense. But if I say "unhappy," you directly it means not happy. Lalu affixes bond morphemes upper as affixes. There are several types of affixes: prefixes, suffixes, infixes, circumfixes. Prefixes placed in front of the word. For the example, "un" plus happy, unhappy. Suffixes placed at the end of the word. For the example, happy plus ness, happiness. And infixes insert the root of the word. For in English, but exists in other language. And the last, circumfixes. Circumfixes appear both at the beginning of a word and at the same time. For the example, in German, you can find G spelled, meaning play. And next, root and stem. Now two important terms. Roots, the basic core of the most meaning. And for the example, act, in action, or defectual. And stem, the root plus something else, which are still take more affixes. For example, reactive as a stem, we can attach ness, to make reactiveness. And next, rules of word formation. Rules of word formation. Language follow patterns when creating a new word. For the example, in Alice Wonderland, there is word uglify. It comes from ugly plus fly, meaning to make ugly, just like beautify. It means to make beautiful. Even if the word is new, as long as it follow the rules, people can understand. And next, the last is reactional and inflectional. Reactional and inflectional. This create the new word, sometimes checking the new word. For the example, happy adjective, happiness noun, and inflectional and inflectional. This only change the new word. Inflectional is if only change the form of a word, but not change the core meaning. For the example, walk to walk past tense, and happy cat to cats, plural. Yeah. Inflectional, if only change form of the word to fit grammar. Sorry. I mean, the. So for the example, the walk to walk past tense, and cat to cats, plural. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.